Hi guys. Do not mind the background sound. It's just my brother watching TV. But hey, I'm new to YouTube. My name is Coraline Kid because I'm obsessed with Coraline. So let's play with slime while me telling you about me. So today I have neon butter twist slimy glue, and it is lemon and pink lemonade scented. Smells good. Okay. Alright, so my favorite color, let's start with my favorite color. My favorite color is pink. That's why I chose pink lemonade. My name is J.O.V. I'm like obsessed with Coraline. Like, if you guys want me to do like a tour of my collection, go ahead and put that in the comments. Or if you guys like want to like ask me questions, go ahead. I love getting comments from people like on TikTok and stuff like that. But yeah. And my favorite scent or whatever, this is a weird one, is Japanese cherry blossom. Like, I'm obsessed with it. My favorite show is Stranger Things. My favorite movie is Coraline. And my favorite person in both of those like shows and movies, so my favorite person in the show is Erica. Of like Stranger Things, my favorite person is Erica. And in Coraline, my favorite person is Mr. Bobinsky. I love doing gymnastics. I also love playing basketball. And I also love Sonic Angels and keychains. And in my videos, I would be opening some blind boxes and just showing you guys, because opening blind boxes is so fun and like a fun thing to do. So yeah, I'll buy blind boxes, blind bags, and I'll just open them with you guys. So yeah. Speaking about blind boxes, I actually got this thingy from Five Below, and I opened it. It's cute. It reminds me of a red panda. I think it's a cat or something like that, or maybe it is a red panda. But it's cute. Keep it on my lanyard. This is the old me. Oh, Coraline pin. I forgot about this. I love doing arts and crafts, and I also love DIY-ing gifts. Bye, guys.